Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Facebook profile on WhatsApp. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone and then you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this 3-bar icon on the top right corner and then choose your profile. And now normally click on this 3-dot bar. And if you scroll down a bit, normally you will get an option, copy link. Normally click on it. Click on this continue button. Click again on this copy link. Now go to WhatsApp app and choose the person whom you want to send the link. This one. And normally long press on it. And you will see an option, paste. Choose it. And click on the send button. That's it. You have successfully sent the profile link on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.